Alright, drivers look like they're ready. Turn marshals are ready. You're racing the clock, not each other. Drivers ready. Track is live. Lead car right now is Bowman, then Mark, then Marwin. We are 30 seconds in, 2:30 to go. Last qualifying race of the night. Modified cars. Your lead car, Bowman's on a 22-lap pace at 3:04. Fastest lap so far is from your second place driver, Mark, a 7.9. One down, two to go, one down, two to go. Bowman still holding the lead, followed by Mark, then Marwin. Lead two cars are separated by 1.5 seconds on the clock right now, both on a 22-lap pace.
Best on time, 7.98 seconds. The reality a personal.
1:30 down, 1:30 to go. That's the halfway point. Bowman still holding the lead.
0.5 seconds.
All drivers have a 7.8 second best lap time on the clock right now. Bowman just clicked into the 23-lap pace at 3:07. Let's see if he can hold that. Mark just a couple seconds behind him.
7.776 seconds.
1 minute to go, drivers. 1 minute to go.
Bowman is to finish 23 laps in 3 minutes, 7.2 seconds. Transponder
45 seconds to go, drivers. 45 seconds. Bowman still holding the lead and still holding that 23-lap pace. Mark has to pick it up by 2 seconds to get on that same pace. Marwin just 1 lap back on the clock. 30 seconds to go, 30 seconds to go.
Transponder 83,197, 7.8 seconds.
15 seconds to go, drivers. 15 seconds to go. Big collision right there. But all drivers come out clean. 10 seconds on the clock. Bowman still holding the lead. Then Mark, then Marwin. First and second separated by 1.3 seconds on the clock.
4.5 seconds.
Mark only 4/10 away from the 23-lap pace. Time has expired. Mark, you're done.
97 finish.
Bowman's done and got that extra lap. Marwin's done, so Bowman's going to take it 23 laps at 3:07.